What are you doing now?
I'm taking this stay off because I'm going to move it. I'm going to cut this off here and weld it on the other side. I'm going to cut this one off here. I'm going to put it on here so that there'll be two stays going down like that are identical. I couldn't find anywhere to buy this piece, so I'm just going to reuse this one by moving it from here. And to brace it in the sides, I'm going to put a cross member across here which will brace it from moving that direction, and these stays, the two stays here, will brace it from moving this direction. Well, that's the theory. I'm going to cut this off now. I'll just put my safety glasses on first. And now I'm going to cut through this weld. Hopefully it's going to be quite easy.
What are you doing now?
I'm going to unscrew this.
Why?
Just to slacken it off so that when I put it back together I have some adjustment on it. See how long this is. And when we put it on,